the market review of weekly. So I'll be explaining in detail like what are the positions I took and reasons behind my positions. So first of all, if you look at the Nifty chart, we had a clear downtrending momentum from 27th Feb to till almost close to 30th March. So I was waiting to form fresh lower low from the Nifty level. So that was happened close to on 2nd of April. So close to that. So now after we got this 8 to 6 days of consolidation and then this good gap up close to almost 1,000 points now in this case. So probably on April 8th or April 9th, I started to take my test positions. So generally, once I come back from 100% cash, I'll be testing with a few very light positions. Once that trade started working, then I'll take aggressive positions. Till that, I won't start aggressive positions. So that's how I come to market from 100% cash after this downtrend momentum. So now, of like around April 8th or April 9th, I started to take position. So I'll explain you in detail like what are the positions I took and the reason behind it. So now let me go back to my Twitter profile where I'll be updating during live market. So I'll be taking to you the exactly on April 8th. So that at least you cannot tell me that I'm telling on hindsight. Because I generally post it before I take my trades. That's how I log my trades as well. So let me take you to the April 9th where once we got the Nifty gap up. So I thought okay, this gap up will sustain. So I started to take position from April 9th. So the first position I took from the strong sector. I think I repeatedly start saying that currently the power theme is very much good and we have a lot of stocks coming from power sector, auto, and then private banks and the steel, yeah, iron and steel sector, especially the proxy which I told you, in auto ancillaries things. So now coming back to my first position was Q power. So let me open the chart also. Yeah, Q power. If you check here, I took on exactly April 9th. It was coming from long base breakout on April 9th. I took this position. In fact, I posted also during the live market around 9:18 a.m. and like I added a Q power. This was my first position. In the same day itself, I got risk free, so I started to take another position. Probably I took Atlanta Electrical. Yeah, Atlanta. Actually, I took Atlanta. Probably I missed out. No, I posted actually. Let me take you somewhere. Not this. Yeah, yeah. This was the first position. I posted on 9:18 of April 9th. Same day I added Atlanta also. Yeah, I think I added same day at 9:21 a.m. I added same day. So usually what happens whenever the stocks come like from same sector, right? We will get on same day only I took actually. So this was my initial position. Steltech I took by it was my position I think very much less. So this was my test position. So once quickly my these two trades at least Q power went risk free. Then I started to add my another position. In fact, I missed this other energy. This I don't know I missed it from my portfolio to add it out. This was a very beautiful stock I was tracking from long back. I missed it to be frank. So, but anyway, I added in my other investment account, but I missed my trading account. So that's different. And then I added, think sensor engineering. I added, yeah, sensor engineering. I started to add. As I told you that auto stocks and it's related to semiconductor, theme. And if even if you track globally, also a lot of themes are emerging from semiconductor theme. Data center, so I added sensor and I added this day like 9th of April in a pullback setup, and then I pyramided day before yesterday. So I have a decent position size of close to 25% in this 20%. So the decent stop loss. This was my third position, and then added other position also. I did not add Wire Energy. It was a vendor, so I not added it out. So after Sensora, I think I had Federal Bank. I posted also on same day. Currently, it's nothing. It's no loss, no gain. It's in same as of now. But I think this will continue its momentum. I'll double up once it cross about 291. I had some gap up also in this. That's the reason. So this was other position, and then I've added one more called Bajaj Consumer. In fact, I closed this position next day because I had to add another stock since it was not from strong sector. FMCG was very weak sector. I made a decent money, so I shifted this to another stock, and currently this also is moving very beautifully. Anyway, that's fine. I don't have this stock anymore now. So after this, if you see, this was my US positions like GSAT and BAP, which currently I'm still holding it out. And I mentioned I'm tracking these names yesterday like Giant Industries and then GPIL. So I added Janko indices as well. If you see, it was a tight consolidation breakout. I posted also 9:45 am. In fact, I added the same yesterday itself, and it's 8% up actually yesterday. So look at, this is my first entry point and then second entry point. So currently it's very good gain. So most of my trades are very risk free now. So probably I'll, but currently I don't have a very good setup, but that's fine now. I have very good positions as of now. This other energy, it's fine. It's 8% up as I mentioned you. Please do check my newsletters. I posted clearly like all my holdings, and then I explained in detail about Nifty, view sectors, view completely. Have some platform issue, so kindly check through Google Drive. Probably another 2 to 3 days, my platform issues will get fixed, and then you can see all my newsletters in a single, website completely. But please do check this market review newsletter, and then give me the feedback as well if anything has to be modified. I've added reference also so that you can understand that I'll be tweet before I take my positions. Let me deep dive to sector now. Sorry, indices. So Nifty, I'm expecting Nifty to trade about 23,500. As long as it stay 23,500, 23,400 levels, I'm fine with this. I want some kind of consolidation and then to break out this 2400 level, because we have some resistance over here. So I'm just watching out this resistance closely. So anything above, as long as it stay about 23,400, no issues for me. So that's fine. I don't want that the gap should be filled. This gap should be gap should be holded now. It should not be filled. Like, I don't want something like this. Just a moment. What's happening? Sorry. Yeah. So I don't want something like this. I want something like this to be formed. So something like this I want to be formed. Something like this. Yeah. But not something like this. I don't want to form something like this. It's very bad sign if I have something like that. So that's what I'm expecting from Nifty. Learn coming to Nifty, same. Mid cap Nifty also same. So I want some kind of consolidation and then take out this resistance level of 58 200 levels. So this gap should be held. I don't want this gap to be filled anywhere soon. Same thing from banking index also. It's very strong now. I want some kind of consolidation before making it another leg. This gap should be not filled. It should be held like this. Small cap, we had a very bad run in small cap earlier. Like, look at this downtrending channel, completely like simple down theory, lower low, lower rise. Now I want some kind of some kind of consolidation, and then take out this 200 EMA, this resistance zone. So it's weak, but anyway currently it's fine. As long as it's trading in sideways, it's fine for me. Only thing this gap should be filled. So now coming back to sectors, as I told you, like steel, power theme, and then auto is very much strong, and private banks also is coming out. It's stronger now. So I expect for my trade should be based on the completely on the power sector, steel, auto ancillaries, and private banks. Nothing much. And tomorrow I'm observing the stocks, Bharat Forge, GPIL. So anything above, 1825 is buy for me. GPIL also I'm tracking closely above 295, and National Aluminium stocks are doing very much good. So I'm tracking closely above 422 is buy for me. Shriram Finance from finance sector, it's fine for me. 1036 is a good buy for me. Laurus Lab leaders in pharma, I'm just tracking since it's a past good. I mean it's a leader. That's why I'm tracking out. Let's see. So apart from this, I have some Kirloskar, but I don't think I'll take position because of its choppiness. So let's see. I'll wait for another continuation pattern. Sale is good, but anyway I don't trade large cap, so I'm just ignoring for now. So that's it. Overall market condition is very good. You can start, for swing trade or a positional trade, you can start building your positions. Take few trades in a smaller risk. Once it become risk free, then you can add aggressively. That's how you will be testing the market. So now see you all after a few days. I'll be making another video, but please do check my newsletters and then follow my Twitter handle so that you get live alerts during markets. So thank you very much. Have a good